Are you waving to the boats, Bubba? Yeah, that's all right. There'll be plenty of boats. Wait till the next boat comes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Gigi. Are you feeling it? Where's Papa? Papa? Ditto. Ditto? Ditto.
Lorelai. Lorelai. See.
Lorelai, don't say naughty words, okay? Don't listen to Auntie. She's naughty.
Lorelai.
Hello. Hi. When you're ready. Bye. Bye, Fishy. Where's Mummy? She's loving the water. Cora, he say, nan, 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 nan. Nan, 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 nan. Ellie, no. Cora, nan, 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 nan. Nan, 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 nan.
You are so good at singing. Hey, do you think you could clap for the first letter? Let's try it. Once a farmer had a daughter.
Bingo was his name, oh. N-G-O. N-G-O. What are we watching? Nan, 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 nan. Yeah, you tell the puppy dog, stop. Say, stop.
You got a fish down. There you go.
Yay! You caught a fish! They got barbs on them.
They're right here.
She can like.
She can touch
It's a fishy.
Yeah.
She'll give me the fish.
She can touch it there. Yeah, he's just a baby.
Cora, what is it? It's a fish.
We got to let him.
Do you want to hold it again?
Oh, Dad.
Good girl. Lulu, let's stay there. Stay there and eat your dinner, Bubba. Lorelai, go sit down and eat your dinner.
I don't want to.
You don't want to? You'll sit next to Dad.
No.
Say Lala. You ready? Yep. Go again. Huh? Go again. Yeah. It's fucking.